Hello students, today we will see the third case. Two cases we have already discussed, and case 1 was when the goodwill is paid privately. In that case no entry will be made because that will not appear in the books of accounts of the firm. So in case 1 only premium for goodwill is paid privately, then there will be no entry. Case 2 was when premium for goodwill is paid in cash or kind and retained in the business. In that case a account will be created, premium for goodwill account, and bank account will be debited to premium for goodwill account. Then again bank will be debited to new partners capital account, and then at last premium for goodwill to old partners capital account. In the sacrificing ratio the premium for goodwill is distributed, and as the business retains the cash, so the capital account of the old partners will be created only. Now we will see the case 3. In case 3, the premium for goodwill will be brought and it will be withdrawn by the partners. When goodwill will be brought and withdrawn by the partners, then what will be the entry we will see. So let's see first what will be the journal entry. So first entry for goodwill brought in cash by the new partner. The entry will be bank or cash account debit to premium for goodwill, as we do the entry in case of case 2. So we will do it here also. Again, if partner brings capital, then cash or bank account debit to new partners capital account, and for sharing premium of goodwill the entry will be premium for goodwill will be debited, and in this way here this amount totally will cancel the debit. So to old partners capital account, here the same amount will be here. So premium for goodwill account will be cancelled, and now old partners capital have been created. So capital's balance will increase. Now what we will do, they will withdraw the amount. So old partners capital account will be debited again, and bank or cash in the business will decrease. So in this way the whole transaction will be recorded. So here in the case 2, till this entry was done, and this will be distributed in sacrificing ratio, and here in case 3 only one entry will be added. That means old partners capital will be debited and bank or cash will be withdrawn. Let's see one illustration. Suppose A and B are two partners in ratio of 4:3. Now they admit C on the basis of 1/5 of share, and he brings rupees 7,000 as goodwill. Premium for goodwill he brings rupees 7,000 and 1/5 of share. No information about capital is given. So let's see how to solve this. Here you have to decide the sacrificing ratio. So a statement like this, which I taught you during calculation of sacrifice ratio, you have to make this. So first partner is A. His old ratio was 4/7. and his new ratio will be same as before in the firm. So the new partner C takes 1 by 5. So remaining 4 by 5 of share he will take. So new ratio for him will be 4 by 7 of 4 by 5. So it will be 16 by 35. So his sacrifice, let's see. Now his sacrifice is 4 by 7 was his earlier ratio, and now he is getting 16 by 35. So it will be 20 minus 16. So 4 by 35. Now for B, he was getting 3 by 7. Now he will get 3 by 7 of 4 by 5. So total will be 12 by 35. So sacrifice will be 3 by 7 minus 12 by 35 equals to, taking LCM 35, it will be 15 minus 12. That means 3 by 35. That means sacrificing ratio will be A is to B equals to 4 by 35 is to 3 by 35. That means 4 is to 3 is the ratio. Now C will have 1 by 5. So he will have 7 by 35 share. So C's gain is, this is sacrifice, and this is 7 by 35 is his gain. So this is the, now we will do the journal entry. So first, bank account debit to premium for goodwill. So here he brings 7,000. So here being premium for goodwill brought by the new partner C. So here this will be the narration. Then the second entry will be, there is no information about capital, so we will premium directly to the third entry, premium for goodwill account debited to old partner's capital, means A's capital, and to B's capital. So here the sacrifice ratio was 4:3. That means 4,000 and 3,000. You know the narration of this one, being premium for goodwill distributed between old partners in sacrificing ratio. Then the third entry, that is for withdrawal. So A's capital will be debited, again B's capital will be debited by bank. So the premium for goodwill 7,000 will be again withdrawn by the old partners. So again their capital will become less, and This is a new entry for each you have to write narration. So being premium for goodwill withdrawn by old partners. This will be the narration. So in this way you have to do the case 3. Thanks.